Okay, now we have to copy this. We can take another screen, go to MFBF. So this is called REM confirmation screen. So we used CO11N for discrete. We have used COR6N for process industries. For repetitive, it is MFBF. Here we have make to stock, we have make to order. Okay, so what we are doing is make to stock, right? So I have to enter my plan order here. No GR with backflush in case of reporting point without automatic GR option. Hmm. So why this is coming? Okay. All right, that came, and I have option of this plan order as 5 quantity. Production version is 001. There is no batch. Receiving storage location, I can enter as 171A. Yesterday we did not save it, or what? Yeah, it is there. It's there. Lot size, valid from, and valid till. Okay. So whatever we required is entered. Okay, let us see post with corrections. No GR with backflush. In the case of reporting point, 1 minute. So we have this OSP2. OSP2. REM. So we have made this reporting point confirmation mandatory, and this is optional without Kanban. The last reporting point when backflashing. It is fine here. GI backflashing and GI. With automatic. No GR, no goods received with backflash in case of reporting point logic with automatic GR option. So we have this. Now it picked. So we have this check mark, which was not, and then it has picked the last operation. Okay. Let us see now. Yes, now it worked. Okay, so we have the backflash. Okay, and then our goods receipt will be also posted. But before we do that, the storage location is missing. Okay, that has to be entered in the material master. I think it is not there, but we can enter it manually where the stock available is. Okay, so this is my final operations. Operations is to post all the operation activity. Yes. So GR and GI, okay, both are posted with this material document. All right. Now, if I go to the document tab, and then if I want to see, I can see that with this document, my it is posted. But let me see the layout. So REM engine is on the top. It is showing as 5 pieces. Okay. Smash Migo. We go to goods display. This document. Here we can see clearly. Okay. So we have REM engine. We have raw material 1 and raw material 2. Okay. These all three are posted under this particular document. Okay. If you scroll towards your right, you can see the movement type which is triggered. So I told you in REM, we don't have 101. We have 131 movement type. Okay. That is the difference. And we have 261 and then 261, which is common for discrete even process industry for the raw materials goods issue. Okay, and this is how we can do it. Let us see the MD04 screen now. So if you remember, whenever we produce and do GR for the production orders, okay, the stock will be added and then my production order is gone. Similarly here, my plan order is also gone, my stock is added. Okay, so this plan order can be also further converted to, sorry, we can do MFBF of this as well. Okay, let us see the consumption ROH1. So one dependent requirement is gone. My stock has been reduced. Only one dependent requirement is left. Stock to refresh. And I can see same situation for my raw material too. Okay. So that means everything is going smoothly. So did you understand the process? What all is required in REM? This is like totally different than what we are doing in discrete and in the process industry. Okay. Very few interviews will have these questions about REM, but if they are doing this process, you should be definitely aware of what REM is, how we can do, where is the cost settled. So cost is settled to the product cost collector. Okay, we have to create one preliminary cost estimate before we can start our confirmation process. The other difference is planned orders are used for confirmations. There is no production orders. Plan orders will have repetitive check mark. Conversion indicator will not be there. No work scheduling view. Okay, these are the few things that you should be definitely remember. And then we have the prerequisite as you should be having REM indicator. You should be having your REM profile. This is the REM profile, which is the backbone of everything, like of the complete REM process. Here we can see the different movement types. Okay, and we have control data 1 and control data 2. Okay, under control data 1 we have different options. Okay, this is control data 2, how the reduction is happening, just like what we have seen, plan order is reduced. Okay, so let us do one thing. I told you yesterday. Okay. So what I told you yesterday is that we have another transaction. So for example, now I don't want to confirm 5 quantities. I wanted to confirm only 4 quantities, or any XYZ reason I have to cancel my confirmation. So MF41 is to cancel it. F41. Okay. Now, how do I find it again? We have to give material REM underscore engine, and let us see. So we have this select, and then we have option of reversing it. Ideally, it should not take so much of time. Maybe server is busy. Okay. So we have just posted the reverse quantity. If I go to my stock requirement list and refresh, I will get another plan order. But do you see that this plan order has a different number? We had earlier 55 and 56. Now when we reverse, it will not be the same. Okay, I told you, because the number range which is already utilized, it cannot be brought back. If you have the situation anytime, you have confirmed the plan orders, now you have reversed, the same plan order numbers cannot be reversed. Okay, your end user can say, okay, I had this plan order number, now I see a different plan order number, what to do? So you should explain, educate the user that we have a number range. Okay, so if my number range of 2355 has been used, that cannot be brought back. Okay, so whatever is the number range available, it will automatically give those numbers, but your planned quantity will be still of 5. You should not be bothered about the number, you should be bothered about the quantity. Okay, and has your quantity for the components is also reversed or not? That should be the bothered point. So yes, my raw materials are also reversed with that. Okay, so this is what we have to educate to them. Now let us see one more thing. Okay, if I go to MFBF, can I do a partial confirmation, what we have seen in discrete and repetitive? Okay, automatically this is taking 5, but I want to confirm only 3. Okay, so we have this options confirmation types, that do you want to only confirm the component, do you want to only confirm the activities, or do you want to do the activity backflush, with which my components will be also backflushed. Okay, so if you see, I gave the 3 quantity of REM, which is my finished product. Automatically my components quantity is also adjusted to 3 rather than 5 and 5. Okay, this is posted. Now this is my plan order 2356. So if you see this 2356, my quantity has remaining 2. Okay. I can again do a confirmation for this using MFBF, and then this plan order will be gone. Okay. So automatically system picked up 2. If I come here and refresh, now this plan order is gone completely. Okay. So far, any questions you have with repetitive? So what we have seen, the master data, the configuration which is required, different situations of confirmation, of reversal, and then partial confirmation. These are the main things what we do.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, is it possible to do this reversal process in discrete manufacturing? In discrete
Yes,
industry?
yes, yes. In in everywhere you have options. I gave the T codes here. So these are the T codes for confirmation. MFBF in repetitive, process is UR6N, and discrete it is CO11N. So in discrete you can reverse using CO13. In process you can reverse using CORS, and in repetitive you can do MF41. So here I have given the reversal transactions.
Okay, okay. Sir, actually, I have one more doubt.
Hmm. Yeah, please ask.
While doing this requirement for any product, MD04 T code
Hmm.
for Tata Safari while I was practicing,
Hmm.
but there were two same dates coming.
Right, I told you about that. Okay. So see, the system is giving you option of to reschedule it.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. So here is the option which says reschedule on 1/2/2022. Okay. One minute. This is already production order you have already created.
Yes.
So when you have this plan order with the same dates, right? In planning also, in plan orders also, you have this option of scheduling. Okay, let me show you. This is already released, so we cannot do anything here. So this plan order, okay. If I go in change mode, I have option here, schedule plan order. Okay. So here, if you want, you can automatically change the dates as per the system process
Okay.
before you convert it.
But after converting, I can't change.
You
Means
can
after
you can do it manually. You can do it
manual.
manually.
Okay.
Yes. So if I create any requirement here, na, so if you have seen that plan order also gave me that okay, you reschedule it on first.
Hmm.
So try that. But if that is not the case, system allows you to manually change it
Okay.
because this is the month end, almost month end. So system is giving that particular date, right? You cannot start in the back first of all.
Hmm.
So there are two options in the system. Okay, let me show you that setting.
Let's do that.
I have seen, but I have to recall.
order.